like Jesus, right? So you wait for me to say Jesus. So when I say Pete Doche, I say TB Joshua. I can say Donald Trump. I know they will never call us Donald Trump. I know. So what if I say Queen Elizabeth? Okay, you're waiting for me to say Jesus. It's quite unfortunate that I just say Jesus and you're looking at me. You're waiting for me to say another Jesus. Oh, okay, Jesus. Please, a round of applause for them. This union is going to use a lot of fruits. Couple of pictures. Couple of pictures and replies. If you must spray money, if you must spray money, don't spray on their forehead. Makami sugar kante. Spray money on the floor or throw it up. And don't obstruct the cameraman, right? That's it.
Sisi